While most toolpaths in Surfcam are intended for use with cylindrical profile tools, there are some cases where tapered tools are more useful for the cut. With several of the classic toolpaths, tool shapes such as flat end mills, bullnose, and ball nose are the only shapes that are supported. However, when the need arises for a tapered tool to be used, these toolpaths do not recognize the angled flutes. As you can see here, only the tip of the tool is considered. Any cuts further down the part cause a gouge to occur on the steeper region when an unsupported toolpath tapered tool combination is used. If you shift from a classic planar toolpath to the newer HSM Planar Plus toolpath, tapered tools are supported. In this instance, you can see that as the tool moves further down the wall, the tip moves over to accommodate the larger diameters higher up on the tool flutes. This maintains contact on the top edge of the part as the tool slides down. Several toolpaths have the ability to shift the tool tip relative to the cut depth to properly cut the geometry. You can see the entire list here. Here are how some of those appear on this part, such as 3D offset, pencil mill, multi-cut, and Z-rough.